How to unlock Netspend account. If your Netspend account is locked, you will need to follow these steps to unlock it. Contact the customer service. The customer service number is displayed around. Once you contact your customer service, you have to provide them with your verification information. So Netspend may require you to provide certain information to verify your identity before unlocking your account. This could include personal details such as your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You just go ahead and answer this security question confidently and rightful. Then, once you are verified that you are the rightful account holder, follow the instructions provided to you by the customer service. It is to unlock your account. So this may also include confirming recent transactions or resetting your account password. Once you are able to reset your account password, go ahead and check for your account status. Once your account is unlocked, try to log into your Netspend account through the mobile application or website to ensure that you can access it normally. If you are not able to unlock your Netspend account through customer service, they may provide further guidance on next steps or additional measures you can take to regain access. It's essential to follow Netspend procedures carefully to ensure the security of your account and prevent unauthorized access. Also, make sure that when entering the credentials of your credit card, such as email address and your account number or a card number, make sure to enter it rightfully so that you don't have to face issues like this in your near future. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.